friend, my name is Sweta and I will be teaching biology. Life process class 10 NCERT book. Okay, chapter 6. Okay, so let's start. Today we will discuss about the processes which is going inside organism's body, whether that is human being, plants or animals. Microorganisms also come in that category. So in this chapter we have to discuss about the life process, several life process and its steps. You know very well that biology, the basic thing you have to read is that living organisms. In biology we have to read mostly about living organism. Okay, let's start. Living, how living is different from non-living. For example, in living we can take man, and in this we can take guitar. How this man is different from guitar? So there are some certain features. What are those? Movement. First is movement. We can take. Man is able to move their hands, they are able to move their legs, and some internal movements are also going inside them. So man can move, but guitar, they cannot move until and unless any external force is applied on it. So that's why man is different from guitar. Man comes in the category of living organisms and guitar comes in the category of non-living organisms. Second is respiration. Okay. So exchange of gases, taking oxygen and giving out carbon dioxide, or taking carbon dioxide and giving oxygen. So living organisms can do that too, but guitar cannot. This is the second feature. Next we can see reproduction. Creating or giving birth to their young ones is said to be as reproduction. So man can do that, but guitar cannot. So these are the features which differentiate between living and non-living things. And that's why in biology we read about living organisms, because there are certain features. Now another thing I would like to tell. The basic fundamental unit of any living organism is cell. Okay. So many cell combines to form tissue. So many tissue combines to form organ. So many organ combines to form organ system. And so many organ system combines to form organisms. And it is same in all the categories. For example, in plants also, in human beings, in microorganisms, etc., etc., in dogs, cats. Okay. So this is the basic fundamental unit of any living organism, cell, which is responsible for the functioning of all the life process. Now what are those life process? In this chapter we have to deal about nutrition, then we have to discuss about respiration, we have to discuss about transportation, and last but not the least, excretion. Okay. Nutrition we will discuss about plants, amoeba and human being. Transportation we will discuss about plants and human being. Respiration also we will discuss about plants and human being. Transportation we will discuss about plants and human being, and excretion also we will discuss about plants and human being. Now one by one in my different videos I will try to explain all these topics one by one. So for today this was only the. Thank you.